All right, eighth grade Latin 2. Here we go. We are going to talk about adjectives and adverbs. In this one, this is the About the Language comparison of adverbs. It is on page 43 in your textbook. I have a special guest star here that's going to just start us off and tell us about adjectives and adverbs in English. His name is Graham. Graham, hello. What is an adjective in English?
An adjective describes a noun.
Awesome. Okay. So can you think of give me, how would you describe Jelly, our dog Jelly? Give me two adjectives to describe Jelly.
Jealous or cute.
Cute. Cute and jealous. Jelly stands for gelato, but it should stand for jealous too, because he gets jealous of anything our other dog gets too. Okay. Graham, what is an adverb in English?
An adverb describes a verb, another adverb, or an adjective.
Wow. Okay, that's really good. Can you give me an example in English of an adverb?
Quickly.
Quickly. Okay, awesome. High five. Thanks very much. Okay, so in English, to turn an adjective into an adverb, you use ly, right? So we have endings in English just like you do in Latin. For adverbs, the ending is ly, so quick to quickly. So in Latin, let's take a look at adverbs. Here we go. You will notice we have an adjective like suavis. To make it an adverb, we do suaviter, sweetly. But that's not all, because we can say things like more sweetly and very sweetly, right? So the ter makes it, let's see if I can get this down here. The ter makes it sweetly. The ius makes it more sweetly, the comparative, okay? And then the issime makes it very sweetly. Okay, so let me add to this. So here we go. Let me drag this up here. So this is the positive degree, okay? And this is the comparative degree, okay? And this down here is not called the comparative, it is called the superlative degree. All right, so, and we can answer these, or we can translate these different ways, right? So the comparative, we could say more sweetly, or we could say too sweetly, or we could say rather. So too sweetly or rather sweetly are other good translations for the comparative. For the superlative, we could say very sweetly or most sweetly, right? And so those are our adverbs and the different degrees of those adverbs. And you can see we have suavior is the comparative adjectives. This is sweeter, tardior, slower, more slow, too slow, rather slow, or celerior, quicker, more quick, rather quick, too quick. And then we see the adverb has this ius, right? So more sweetly, too sweetly, rather sweetly, more slowly, rather slowly, too slowly, more quickly, rather quickly, or too quickly. And then here, remember, we have the superlative adjective, right? So this is very sweet, sweetest, most sweet, but this would be very sweetly or most sweetly. Tardissimus, this would be slowest or very slow or most slow. This would be very slowly, most slowly. And then celeremos, right? This is very quick or most quick or quickest. This is very quickly or most quickly. The only other thing I want to say here is remember that we actually have two rules for creating adverbs out of adjectives. So let me drag this up here. So two rules, or maybe let's do this. Adjective to adverb, two rules. Okay, the first is if you have like tardus, that goes to tarde, right? And that's if you have a first or second declension adjective, an us, adjective. But remember that if you have a third declension adjective like this one, then you use the other ending. So we have two endings here. We have tarde and we have suaviter to make something go from slow, slowly, sweet, sweetly. All right, that's it.